Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my Bangla Technology Pro channel. Today I will show my new videos how to add tubebuddy extension. Please follow my mouse cursor. At first search the tubebuddy extension. And you see www.tubebuddy.com. Please click the tubebuddy.com. Wait and see. You see that your best friend on the road to YouTube success. Install free now. Please click the install free now and install these apps. Wait and see. Please add to Chrome and select the add to Chrome, and to see the add tubebuddy add extension and cancel. Please add the add extension. Wait and see. After add tubebuddy and you see tubebuddy add remove from Chrome, this already add this tubebuddy. So guys, come back to YouTube and you see that extension and click the extension and tubebuddy. So guys, tubebuddy sign in required. Click here. Please click here tubebuddy. And you see that thank you for installing tubebuddy. You are now on your way to have a more successful YouTube. Sign in with YouTube. Please click the sign in YouTube. Wait and see, and select your Gmail. Make sure you trust tubebuddy allow. Wait and see. So guys, finally add that tubebuddy extension your YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel, YouTube channel, and press the bell icon. Thank you.